Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to set up development environment for React in your system. So open any browser. So first we are going to install a code editor. So I'm selecting Visual Studio Code. So go to any first link here and click on download for Windows. In your case, if it's Mac or some other system, the website will auto detect it also. So it's downloading. After downloading, you just click on the file that was downloaded for the installation to start. Clicking here. So click on I accept the agreement. And I want to keep this folder as it is. This is where the installation will happen. So it's saying this folder already exists. Would you like to install in the same folder anyway? Yes, in my case. So here just click on add to path and also click on register code as an editor for supported file type. So in this case, for example, if you are writing some other projects, in Java or C++, so you can open those projects in Visual Studio Code. So if you want create a desktop icon, please do click on it. In my case, I don't want it. Click on next and click on install. So it will take some time for the installation to be completed. So if you want to launch Visual Studio Code, you can directly click on this, or else in my case, I don't want to launch it now. So I'm clicking on finish. So the code editor installation is done. Now I want to install Node also, which is Node.js. So just click on this one and you can directly click download from here. So mine is Windows. So I'm gonna click on Windows installer directly. It will auto detect my system. Okay, just click on open file. Now it will start the installation process. Next, I accept the terms. So click on this. Next. So this is the folder I want to keep it in. So next. So leave it as it is. These five. Next. See, if you want to create, advanced development environment where, necessary tools like extra tools also can be installed, you can click on it. So in my case, I want it. So I'm clicking on this. So just click on install. So it will take some time depending on your system. So finish. So this is where other installations are being done, like Chocolatey and all. So click on enter and click on yes. So my installation has been completed. So once the installation is done, just restart your system. That is very important. So I have restarted my laptop. So first open Visual Studio Code. So first, as it is, newly installed, you can select on open folder. And in my case, I'm going to desktop coding. I'm selecting this folder. So go here and click on new terminal. Now, so this is where you will be typing all your commands. As we are setting up our React app, first we need to see whether our node has been installed successfully as well as it is being detected by the system. So click on node. So I have typed node and have clicked on it. Okay. So my system is detecting my Node.js installation. It's version 20.9.0. Just click on, exit or use Control C. So first step is to install create React app. So npm install create React app. Okay. So just type exactly like this and click enter. It will take some time to install create React app. So once it is done, you will get some new folders as well as files in your directory. So for example, I get something called as package.json where all my dependency installations will be seen. And also there is a node modules folder where what all your installations, all the files related to that will be residing. Okay. Now, so next command is npx create react app. So if you press enter, it will create React app in your system. Okay, but just remember you need to mention the directory, or for example, you can also give the name of the app that you want to create. So in my case, it would be let us give sample. Okay. So now it will create a new folder which is sample here, where all the files that are necessary for React will be installed. So React app has been created. If you see these messages where it's saying happy hacking, so that means your app has been created successfully. So how would we start our React app? So first we need to change into the directory. Okay. So I'm saying cd sample. So this will help me to go to sample directory that has been created here. So here type npm start. That means node package manager start. Okay, so this command will start our React application. So if everything goes well, you will see this particular page in your default browser. So here you can see, right? So my app has been set up successfully. So that's it from my side. If you like the video, please do subscribe. And also if you face any issues, please comment in the comment section.